How to install WordPress Elementor. In this tutorial, we will walk through the steps to install the Elementor plugin for a WordPress, enhancing website design capabilities with ease. First things first, log into your WordPress account and go to the dashboard. And this is exactly how your dashboard should look like. Once you're on the dashboard, you can see list of options on your left hand side over here. From this list of options, go to plugin, which is over here. Tap on it. Now you will be taken to plugin marketplace, and there you can see a search bar over here too. Tap on the search bar and search for Elementor over here. Then tap on it. Let's wait for it. So over here you can see a list of Elementor provided. Now find the Elementor that you like. Right now I'm using a free plan, so I'll not be able to install these plugins. However, I'll be guiding through and explaining you all the rest process from here. Here you can see full experience over here. After you're tapping on, so if you are using an upgraded plan, you will see an install button over here. Simply tap on install over here, and after installing, that will change to the activate. Then tap on activate, then it will be activated. After activating, you will find an Elementor menu option in your WordPress sidebar, which is somewhere around this jetpack. Now you can click on that and start creating stunning pages with drag and drop editor. And there you have it. You have successfully installed Elementor on your WordPress site. Enjoy designing your pages and don't hesitate to explore the various widgets and features Elementor have to offer. Happy building! And at last, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.